Constructing congruent triangles by side, 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 given 3 side lengths. So in this video, what I'd like to do is produce 2 triangles that are congruent by copying 3 side lengths, 3 given side lengths. So I'm going to just draw some random lengths here, which I will then copy and paste to make 2 triangles that will be congruent. Okay, so first we can begin at a point, let's call it point A, and with our compass we can measure one of the given side lengths. How about the one on the bottom here? We mark our distance and transfer it to point A, make an arc. And then we can draw from point A to that arc. And this length is now copied. Let's use some tick marks to show the congruence. We'll call that that point B over there. Next thing I'd like to do is copy this segment length. Mark my distance, and I can attach that either to point A or point B. It doesn't matter, so I'll just go to point A and make an arc. So if I draw from point A to that arc, it'll be the same distance as this segment. Now to find where the other point of the triangle will be, we need to measure the third segment and attach it to point B. Where the arcs cross, that will be the third vertex of the triangle, and we can draw in the other 2 sides. So let's give 1 tick mark to the short side and 2 for this one. Okay, let's repeat that process. This time, maybe instead of putting the longer side on the bottom, we could put, how about the shorter side on the bottom? Okay, so I'll start with a point over here. We could call it point D. With my compass, make an arc. Draw. And we have that copied. And now we have to use our compass to copy the lengths of the other 2 sides. It doesn't really matter what order you do it in. I can attach this. How about if I put on point E? And make an arc. And finally, I need to measure the distance for the long side, attach it to point D, and they cross over there. So with my straight edge, I line that up. There. And we have 2 congruent triangles. And there is a sequence of rigid motions that you can use to map this triangle onto that one, but they will be congruent.